Hi loves, I'm Stephanie Itzel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple kind of bronze look with like lip gloss. It's similar to my glow look that I am going to link above, but basically this is what I came up with. I'm just going to run some errands, so I thought I'd just show you how I do just a simple makeup look. It doesn't really take that long, and I don't really take that much time on my eyes. I just think it's also good to do simple eye looks. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So to start off with, I'm going to use the Hydroplumping Retexturing Serum Concentrate by Kiehl. If you want to know more about this product, I will link a video up here. This one's just going to really help hydration, and I'm pretty dry right now. And then I'm also going to take the Kiehl Ultra Facial Cream. I'm just going to put just a little bit all over my face. It's always good to use skincare before you apply your makeup because your makeup's going to look better. So have more layers of moisture under the skin. So I'm going to do all that. Then I'm going to prime my skin. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm just going to take just a little bit and just put that all over my face. I do have two little pimples down here that I was messing with. It's never good to do that, so yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my Becca Skin Love Foundation in Driftwood. It is a little bit darker on my skin, but I don't really mind using it because it just does what I want it to do. To take the Tarte Shape Tape in light and light medium sand, and I'm going to mix them as I always do. Then I'm going to take the Smashbox Eye Primer and the Louise base. I'm going to put this one on first. I like mixing them because it gives it a nice, I kind of just put it on my hand and go like that. And I take my finger and I just... set my face with the Mercier powder. And I'm going to take my beauty blender It's important to make sure you go in with your beauty blender before you set your eyes. Because if you don't, then your makeup will look not that great under the eyes. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, still kind of wet, and just kind of make sure it's not creasing. And just take a little brush like this and set the under eyes with the powder. Then I'm going to go in with the Stila and Individual, which I always use to prep my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my face. Then I'm going to go into the Perception palette, and I'm going to go in with Slut and Slay, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with the Nars palette for blush, and I'm going to use a couple of these on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with these three right here. I'm just going to go in with the Lash Paradise Primer. then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Fenty Glow. And I'm just going to put this all over the lips. Can't you see what we're about? And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Dewy Mist Setting Spray. I actually dropped the bottle and it broke, and so like it started leaking, so I actually put it in the Urban Decay All Nighter bottle. So I really like the way it sprays out of this little thing. The other one kind of like, so the other spray bottle kind of like freaks me out when it sprays me because it like, I don't know, it's just crazy. But I'm just gonna put this all over my skin. And it smells like coconut, so it's like really cool. But yeah, this is really what I came out with. Just go in and set it. It's a very simple makeup look. I wanted to make it look dewy with the lip gloss, and I hope you liked it.